So my roommate made $847 last week doing something with ChatGPT that I've never seen on YouTube. And when I asked him how, he showed me 4 other students doing the same thing. None of them are writing blogs. Here's what's actually working. Method 1. First one's stupid simple, but nobody talks about it. Business owners in your town have zero clue what their competition is doing. Like, the pizza place down your street? They don't know the other pizza place just started doing half-price Tuesdays. You walk in. Literally, just walk into businesses near campus. Say, "Hey, your competitor is doing something you're not. Want me to show you what?" Most will say yes, because business owners are paranoid about competition. Go home. Pull up their competitor's Instagram, website, Google reviews. Copy all that into ChatGPT. Ask it, what is this business doing that would make customers choose them? It'll spit out like 15 things. Pricing differences, promotion strategies, how they respond to reviews, social media tactics. Make it look decent in a Google Doc with some bullet points and comparisons. Charge $200. Takes 2 hours max. My friend does this for nail salons. She hits up 3 per week. That's $400 a month just walking around her neighborhood. The crazy part? After the first report, she has a template. Second one takes her 45 minutes because she knows exactly what to look for. Here's the smart play. Offer a cheap starter version for $99, where you only analyze one competitor. They see how valuable it is. Then they come back wanting the full package on all 3 or 4 competitors for $500. Works every single time. Start with one type of business in your area. Get really good at that industry. Then scale to others. Don't try to do everything at once. Method 2. Okay, this one's sneaky. Small software companies, the ones making apps and tools, their customer service is a mess. Same questions every day. Different answers every time. Customers get annoyed. Support team wastes hours repeating themselves. You're fixing that. Find these companies on Product Hunt or browse through G2 reviews. Look for ones with 10 to 50 employees. Those are perfect because they're big enough to have money, but small enough to have problems. Message the founder on Twitter or LinkedIn. Your team probably answers the same 20 questions daily. I'll organize that for you in 24 hours. Want to see a sample? If they bite, get their most common support questions. Usually around 30 to 50 questions. Feed them to ChatGPT one by one. Have it write perfect responses that actually sound like a human, not a robot. Make sure each answer includes their specific product details and matches their brand voice. Put everything in a clean spreadsheet or Notion doc they can search. Organize by category. Billing questions, technical issues, account problems, whatever makes sense. $500 per company. 4 hours of work once you know what you're doing. After your third one, you'll have the process down and can knock them out even faster. The move? Tell them you'll stick around for a month to adjust things based on feedback. Add $250 for that. Sounds premium. Takes you maybe 1 extra hour total because you're just tweaking a few responses based on what their team says. Did this for a scheduling app last month? Took me an afternoon. They paid same day because I solved a real headache for their support manager who was tired of seeing the same tickets over and over. Method 3. Everyone wants to sell a course. Everyone's terrible at actually planning one. That's your opening. Twitter is full of people saying, "Launching my course soon," for like 6 months. They can't figure out the structure. What goes in Module 1? What should Lesson 3 cover? How many lessons per module? They freeze up and never launch. You unfreeze them. They tell you their topic and who it's for. You use ChatGPT to build the entire skeleton in like 3 hours. Every module planned out. Every lesson title written. What each lesson should teach. Learning objectives. Quiz questions students should answer. Practical exercises they should complete. Even a resource list for each section. Deliver it all in a nice Notion template that looks professional. They literally just follow your blueprint and create the course. You've removed all the hard decision-making that was blocking them. 3 price points work best. $300 for just the structure and module breakdown. $450 for structure, plus detailed descriptions of what each lesson should cover. $700 for everything. Plus 50 ChatGPT, prompts they can use to write the actual lesson content. Almost everyone picks the $700 option because they're already procrastinating. They want it done for them. You can realistically do 2 of these a week, easy around your class schedule. That's $5,600 a month. Method 4. This one builds while you sleep. Make research reports about super specific stuff and sell them on Gumroad or as digital downloads. Example: how to sell yoga mats to beginners in 2026. Complete market breakdown. Or gaming desk market analysis. What gamers actually want. Use ChatGPT to pull insights from Reddit threads where people talk about that product. What do they complain about? What price seems too high? What features do they wish existed? Check Amazon reviews for pain points. Look at YouTube comments on related videos. Ask ChatGPT to organize all this into market insights, buyer psychology, pricing recommendations, and competitor gaps. Method 5. Last one's the biggest moneymaker if you can land clients. Solo business owners, freelancers, coaches, consultants making $10K, $15K a month are drowning in repetitive work. They spend 5 hours per client doing the same stuff every single time. You build them automated systems using ChatGPT plus simple tools like Zapier or Make. Don't worry if you've never used these. They're way easier than they sound. Basically, you're connecting different apps together. Real example: life coach gets a new client. Normally, she'd spend 5 hours writing a personalized welcome email, creating their custom 90-day plan, sending resource documents, scheduling their first 3 calls, and setting up reminders. You build her a system where the client fills out one intake form, and ChatGPT auto-generates everything personalized to their answers. 5 hours becomes 5 minutes. What you actually deliver: custom ChatGPT prompts written specifically for their business and their voice. The Zapier automation setup connecting their tools. A simple instruction doc showing them when to use each part. And a quick video walkthrough so they feel confident using it. Charge $900 to start. After you've done 5 or 6 and can show real results, charge $1,500. Some students are charging $2,000 after they have a portfolio. You're not selling tech or AI. You're selling them their weekends back. Frame it that way. Pick one. Don't overthink it. If this was actually useful, hit subscribe so you catch the next one before it's everywhere.